We see this as probably one of the major shows to be at. We only do 2 major exhibitions a year in the UK, and that's the IP show and this show. We feel that the quality of the visitors is very good. We've been here now for the last 3 or 4 years. Certainly the numbers is good, but the quality we feel is better, and you don't get that at any other show.
We exhibited last year, and I guess the reason we choose this event is it is focused. It is focused around unified comms, but it's actually a developing show, so I think they're very quick to see where the market's going. So actually adding visual communications as a specialist area for this event, you know, Imago seem to know where the market's going and respond to that. So for us, it doesn't only showcase our video products, it actually showcases our alliances, and that's obviously key to unified comms. So we have alliances with Microsoft, with HP, with all the telephony providers. We've got a Cisco phone here, so it's the perfect show for us really. It complements both our products and our partners.
I think really it's one of the big communication shows of the year. We're obviously here. We're here with Polycom, who's one of our partners. We're also here with Cisco as well, with BT Business, and it's really, you know, generating awareness and generating leads really for video as well as audio and web. So I suppose really we're trying to get the BT Unified Communications message out there.
Unified Communications 09 is a big show. Lots of people are talking about unified communications right now. What we wanted to do was make sure that we got the right message out there and set expectations and made sure that customers were aware of the things that unified communications could do for them, how it could save them money, how they could utilize their desktop and their telephony in order to save money, get return on investment, and basically collaborate and communicate better and more efficient.
Having these all these little conferences going around the show has meant that there's a lot of people that have come here to learn, and then they're wandering through the show.
We saw the markets that we're actually moving into, and people who are really looking to actually experience the benefits of increasing productivity, of reducing their costs, of improving their communications. And we thought the people who are going to be here are the target audience that we need to be communicating. And the other exhibitors who are around actually seem to have a very similar agenda as well.
One of the things that I noticed was, you know, I'm mostly at shows in the States. They tend to, it tends to be hard to sort through the information. I found this show to be very well organized. I like the booth style, that everyone sort of has this level playing field, similar presentation, but everyone can add their own spice to it, but it's not lost in the noise, which I noticed right away actually. It seems just like a very well run show. I came in and had to do my speaking slot, and that went very smoothly. Everyone had everything up and running, and it's been a good show.
We were very surprised yesterday. We came here with pretty limited expectations given the current climate. We were a bit concerned that the footfall wouldn't be as expected, and maybe that the quality of the attendees wouldn't be what we've seen the previous shows. We were pleasantly surprised, and we've got people who I think because, as I said, because of the credit crunch, because they're addressing costs, they are looking at using their IP networks for their voice calls, and it's a very hot topic at the moment.
Generally with shows you become fairly well skilled in picking out people that are there just information gathering. We found a major difference here, that there's been a high proportion of people that end users are genuinely looking to purchase and invest in solutions. Our open source message, because of the low cost of delivery of those type of solutions in the current climate, is going down very well, and also prospective partnerships as well. So I'd say there's been a definite genuine interest in the message we have, and therefore the level of partners and end users has been as high as I've ever seen at any show we've done in recent years.
It's excellent, and again that's where we're learning all the time and talking to people at different levels within companies. We've had to very much, as well as having business development managers like myself here, bring pre-sales technical experts along with us as well to actually deal with the breadth of interest and diversity of the visitors to the exhibition.
I think really it's one of the big exhibitions. There's a lot of small seminars that happen, a lot of conferences as well, and really it's one of the shows that we feel, you know, we should and need to be at.
The quality of leads we've got, it's extremely high. What is unusual about this particular show is that we get decision makers here. It's not just people looking for free pens. So that's why we keep coming back to the show. Highlight for me, for Nortel as well as a company, certainly the quality of the leads that I got yesterday morning. There's going to be a lot of work in Nortel for the next few weeks for following this up.
Coming here when you know you have certain graphics to do, you have deadlines to meet, they take that whole pain of that part of the project out of it for you. So yeah, I like this approach. Dealing with the Imago guys, they're professional people. They've become almost part of an extended family over the last few years. They always work with us if we've got problems, and they always try and listen to us to how they can improve it better. So we come here and we have a bit of fun as well.